The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to launch in early 2025 as a premium flagship, enhancing camera performance and processing power. The device boasts a high-resolution 200 megapixels Samsung ISOCELL HP9 periscope telephoto lens, 50 megapixels main sensor, ultra-wide, and 3x telephoto, and a 32 megapixels front-facing camera for versatile photography and superior low-light performance. The device is expected to feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, 16GB RAM, 1TB storage, and Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0 for enhanced performance and system integration. The device boasts a 6,000 mAh battery that supports fast 90-watt wired and 80-watt wireless charging, ensuring long-lasting performance for heavy users. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra, set to be unveiled at the Mobile World Congress in March 2025, is expected to feature a premium exterior finish like black and a white vegan leather. The device is expected to be a formidable competitor in the flagship market, especially for users focusing on photography and performance.